66 years have passed since India gained independence. We have committed a little over 6 decades to molding, unmolding, learning, unlearning, evolving, and spearheading into being a cohesive force. We have tried to shape the future with little time to reflect on what has been. You may think that you're alone in this cycle, but everything remains interconnected. We don't even realize that politics affects everything around us. Rising food prices, safety, the cost of education, inflation, and even our own voices. It enters our homes and influences our decisions. We are affected by it in our everyday lives, yet we shy away from actively participating in it. We don't even exercise our right to vote. As young people, we need to exercise our right to claiming instead of blaming, so that we see ourselves being a part of the bigger picture. The Unmanifesto campaign comes from a basic desire to decentralize the power of elections and celebrate politics, making it accessible and real for everyone. The campaign has been able to do that through a rainbow coalition of partners that have been engaged in both online and offline work to collect these voices. The interim top 10 have been collated from 2,000 promises and 3,000 on-ground and online voices. It is a coalition of 26 different youth organizations who have actively worked to bring the voice of the youth together. The premise is pretty simple. Through active participation in the process of governance, youth can gain awareness which leads to the self. Young people can become more certain of the stance they should take by questioning one thing over the other, engaging in understanding rather than remaining disengaged. The Unmanifesto campaign is collecting the voices of the youth to bring it to the netas, to question them, work with them, and to not alienate them. After all, real democracy begins on the day elections is over. On collecting voices for the Unmanifesto campaign, we found that the prominent voices of the youth were demanding making education relevant and impactful, mandate 35% reservation of youth in legislative assemblies and cabinet equivalent bodies, along with 33% reservation for women, making the youth pay penalty for not exercising their right to vote, ensuring safety and dignity for women, the thing is, for politics to move, all of us need to move with it. Without us, there are no politicians, no policies, and definitely no campaigns. Unmanifesto campaign has reached 35,000 online hits through 50,000 people on Facebook and 11,436 on Twitter. In fact, the Unmanifesto hashtag trended on Twitter and India Trends at number 5 with 780 tweets recently. To celebrate the overwhelming response the Unmanifesto campaign has received so far, an event was held at Vishwa Yuva Kendra on the 19th of August, which saw 400 young people come together to vote for the top 3 promises and write more of their own in a vibrant seminar. It included puppet theatre, great music, and clown theatre as well. These online promises were collected through portals like Youth Ki Awaaz and Fifth Space. The Unmanifesto draft has now been submitted to Manvendra Singh, ex-MP BJP, and Meenakshi Natarajan, Lok Sabha MP from Congress. The good news is that they have promised to take it forward to their party manifesto committees. We invite you to become a part of the campaign and give it as much love and support as you have given it so far. Come, join us in making your own future. Join us in getting young people's voices out to the entire nation. After all, we are 50% of the population. Let's reclaim our democracy by participating in it right from the start of the political process, the making of a manifesto.